Okay, so new project for Denko Imaging by Joe High Photography, our fellow photographer Joe. So apparently he's setting up the photo wall at one of the local restaurants on the Market Street. So this is going to be a 10 by 10 feet wall that's going to feature his best wedding and engagement photos. And we will be helping Joe by printing and mounting larger photos. So we have here 18 by 27 and 16 by 24s. Opening up LexJet's e-satin paper to match Joe's Canon semi-gloss that he's using for his smaller prints. And our weapon of choice is going to be Canon Pro 2000. We have our first 5 prints and I'm gonna inspect them and make sure they're printed right. So here we have a little defect. It was probably a dust on the paper, and this print was the very first one to come out of a new roll, and it happens sometimes that you have a dust on the very beginning of the roll. So we're just simply gonna reprint it. One of the few rules in our print lab is the prints that don't make it to the end for one or another reason, they have to be shredded so they don't end up in a dumpster as one piece. Just to sum up, what we're doing here today is we're mounting prints on a plain foam core or so-called foam boards, so the later they can be displayed on a wall. I would prefer to work with a self-adhesive foam core, but just because we don't have it available in those sizes and it's kind of pricey, we're using a plain foam core from Hobby Lobby, Walmart style, and we're attaching it with a double-sided tape and tape gun. And these photos are not for sale, they're just for the presentation. No one's gonna judge them. No one's gonna look super close, but we're still doing a decent quality. And what we're doing here is we pre-cut the foam board slightly smaller than the print, quarter inch to be precise, and then we back trim it. Okay, and then at the end we have something like this with a very, I would say, fine edge. Looks good, straight. And then Joe has his way to attach it to the brick wall, and we'll see it later. The second step would be, so we got the board slightly shorter than the photograph and smaller, and now we're gonna align it, make sure we have enough edges. And what I'm doing, I'm trying to save as much here, so the overlap on the top will be very small. And I think we're good to start taping. So since I have only one weight, I'm gonna use my edge to secure one half of the photo, like this. So we're going to bring the tape as close as we can to the edge. Because when you do like this, there's no way it can skew or buckle, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So we got it mounted, and now we have a little overlap on each side. And we're going to do the back trimming, the most fun part. Okay, so when you do long cuts, you want to actually travel with your whole body like this. There you go, perfect cut. Because if you're cutting towards yourself like this, you at the end your hand is like really hitting you. So you want to go like what? Alright, so this is the first one. Already nicely cut, nice edges. This is how it's gonna be at the end. Nice and sturdy, no buckling, like a pro.
Yep.
Look at
No
this
marks.
No. And see, and it start. I mean, you can't find the tip unless you really know.
Yeah, it's not something like I know where it is, and I can just feel it in
Yeah,
here, but
oh,
I mean, only because I know exactly where it is.
Yeah, it's a very thin film. So first one's ready. 50 more to go. It's amazing what kind of details you can see on the prints versus screen. No matter how big and fine your screen is.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
It is.
It's like a day and night.
It is
Actually.
really
So, yeah. Joe is doing his first double-sided taping. Ta-da!
Oh,
Oh, you're good. You're good. There you go. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
it's all flat.
Yeah. Now you do. I can turn it for you, so it's a little bit easier. So you do towards yourself. See, that's what I like about the mat. Even if I don't need it, you can rotate it. Constantly.
Okay. So just close enough there.
Kinda, yeah. Mm-hmm. This is Joe's baptizing into printmaking. Mm-hmm. Yeah, no pressure down. Just at you. Yep. Evenly. At some point, you should be able to do this with one hand. Well,
At some point.
Your other hand is holding. Yeah, perfect. See? Nice and even. Well, there is a little bit, see? So try to redrag it. It will, because it's not super firm, so try to, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, see, and whatever is there, it will. And at the end, what I usually do at the end is when you're done, I'll show you. So when you drag it towards you, and then when you're at the very end, you do,
I press right at the
yeah,
end.
you kind of like seal it, okay? It's like a surgery here, you know, we're about to cut it open. Okay, Dr. Hi, you ready? Yeah?
Thinking of that scene from Doctor Strange.
Yeah, so you start from here, yeah, and just one smooth move, not too fast, not too slow, just go, whichever way it goes. Make sure your knife is pushing against it, it's sitting against it. Mm-hmm.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, ready or not? Yeah, steady speed, not, yeah, keep going. See, it went outwards.
Yes, it did.
Yeah, which is fine, you can always redo. Change your angle a little bit. Yeah, keep going.
I can't actually see it.
No, you're doing great. It's, you know, when you cut, it's about the feeling. It's not about seeing it. You're not. Yep. Now move back because your hand is bending. So move back, all of it. Yeah. There you go. There is Joe
It was like a hair.
slicing his photographs.
I went out of it. I'm gonna go.
Joe progressed from shoot, edit, burn to shoot, edit, print, slice. Then print and slice, and print and slice. So there is a photo coming out of Pro 100. And this one we're gonna do so-called the front trim bevel cut. And I just ran out of foam boards. Guess where I don't keep them? Well, I don't keep them in my closet. I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. Oh, it's so freaking cold. I keep my mat boards in my garage, right next to my bike. I can make it back. I can make it back. I can make it back. Alrighty, so this is our beautiful market street, and the place where the photo wall will be is down there. I should probably get off the road. Let's see. And this is the place, the best ice cream shop in the city. Ah, here they are. Alright. Hey! Looking good. Looks like guys are doing final touches.
So this is just a foam core backing, and we just have 2 styrofoam blocks on here to make basically a DIY float mount. And we just put it up and it just sets out from the wall just on regular peg. Very simple.